Ever wondered how to keep your garden thriving while staying eco-friendly? Welcome to the world of organic gardening, a world where we harness the power of nature to nurture. One key player in this green revolution is homemade organic pesticides. These nature-based solutions not only combat common plant diseases and pests, but also do so without harming the environment or our health. From powdery mildew to pesky insects, there's a homemade organic pesticide for that. So let's delve into some simple yet effective homemade organic pesticide recipes. Let's start with a common adversary, powdery mildew. This fungal disease can spread swiftly, turning our gardening dreams into nightmares. But there's hope. Two simple homemade solutions can help keep this fungus at bay. First up is milk spray. Yes, you heard right, milk. This dairy product, when mixed with water, can be a formidable foe against mildew. Thanks to the natural compounds in milk, this mixture creates an environment where the fungus simply can't thrive. Now, let's turn to an unsuspecting hero from your pantry: baking soda. When combined with vegetable oil and liquid soap, baking soda forms a protective barrier that stops bacterial spores in their tracks. This solution keeps your plants mildew-free and happy. Preparing these sprays is as easy as mixing the ingredients and applying them to your plants. Remember, consistency is key. Regular applications will keep your garden healthy and vibrant. With these tricks, powdery mildew doesn't stand a chance. Now, let's tackle those pesky insects that love to make a meal out of your plants. From aphids to thrips, these tiny creatures can cause massive damage. But fear not, for we have some surprisingly simple yet effective solutions. Firstly, the humble liquid dish soap. You might be thinking, surely this can't be? But indeed, a mild solution of liquid soap and water is a formidable weapon. This concoction melts the outer shell of many insects, effectively putting a halt to their garden feasting. Next, we turn to tobacco. While it's not so great for us humans, it's a potent ally in the insect war. A simple spray made from tobacco leaves is toxic to many insects, including those pesky caterpillars and aphids. However, beware, keep this concoction away from your tomato and eggplant plants. With these two potent solutions, you're well on your way to reclaiming your garden. Armed with these solutions, your garden is now a fortress against insect invasions. Nature offers us a bounty of ingredients for our homemade pesticides. For instance, tomato and nightshade leaves straight from your garden are rich in compounds that can be fatal to many insects. By simply blending these leaves with water, you can create a potent spray that provides a natural line of defense against invaders. Then, there's the fiery fury of hot pepper and chili spray. The active ingredient capsaicin is a formidable foe to mites, whiteflies, and various species of flies and ants. Just remember, mix the peppers with water and avoid spraying on a sunny day, as the heat can scorch your plants. Now, who can resist the pungent aroma of garlic? Garlic oil spray repels pests like whiteflies, aphids, and beetles, keeping your garden free from unwanted visitors. Just blend garlic cloves with water and a little bit of dish soap and voila, you have a powerful ally. Nature is truly a generous ally in our gardening journey. But wait, nature has more to offer. Indeed, we have a treasure trove of natural pest repellents that are as effective as they are accessible. Let's start with cloves, eucalyptus, and rosemary. This aromatic trio is a formidable adversary against dust mites and fleas. By harnessing their potent scents and natural insecticidal properties, your garden can remain a peaceful haven, free from these pesky invaders. A simple infusion of these herbs in water, strained and sprayed on affected areas, is all it takes. Next, we have the humble banana peel. Yes, you heard it right. Chopped banana peels, when buried beneath the soil, act as a powerful aphid deterrent. What's more, they provide a much-needed potassium boost to your plants, promoting healthier growth. And last but not least, let's not forget about used coffee grounds. These nutrient-rich gems are an excellent pest repellent. Sprinkle them around your plants and they will help deter pests, such as ants, slugs, and snails. Plus, they add valuable nutrients to the soil, enhancing its fertility and boosting your plant's health. So, there you have it. A plethora of natural pest repellents at your disposal, each one as effective as the next. And the best part? They're all derived from everyday items you likely have at home. With these homemade organic pesticides, you're ready to cultivate a thriving, pest-free garden.